guys, this is Ganga back with another video. So happy herbs by Shruthika. I made this video exactly 2 weeks back, and if you guys want to buy these products, I highly recommend you to check out this video where I've given my 100% honest review on the products and the brand. So please check out, okay? And yes, I already made the video, but why I'm making this video again? Because that video gave me genuine followers. Many people, it was so heart touching. I'll just insert the comments here. Just have a look, okay? Just see the comments, guys. It was so heart touching. That is the reason I'm making this video again, because if that is good, there is always bad. I got good comments and again I got hate comments. Hate comments in the sense, many people were like, okay, you explained everything really well, but you never showed how the product is looking on your face. So we want to see that. So it was actually a very genuine request also. There were other few comments which was, I know who is trying to comment actually, so I know instead of replying them back, I have deleted those comments, okay? So this video is a live result of Happy Herbs by Shruthika products. I'm going to try their turmeric night repair cream and their skin glow serum. These both products are highly sold products from their website, so that is the reason I'm making this video, guys. So hey guys, we are in a different background because I want to shoot this particular part in natural light. So that's why we're sitting here. So natural light will give you the better results, right? So yeah, right now I have the products with me. So yeah. So first let's apply this skin glow enhancer serum, okay? And let me read what it claims from the package. It helps in open pores. It gives an instant and enhanced evident glow, nourishes the skin. So yeah, let's try. I'm taking 8 drops as per the instruction. 8. Usually this is how you are supposed to apply the serum, just in a tapping motion. So, what do you guys see? So you guys see any glow? Let me know, okay? I'm just leaving it to you guys. What do you see? This product claims instant glow. Zero glow. This is what I mentioned in this video also, where I mentioned it didn't give me any glow. Zero glow. See, basically glow serums gives that instant glow immediately. I have tried so many brands, and expected the same from this brand, okay? So didn't work, and it's not an overnight serum also. It's not a serum that is going to repair your skin, because they have clearly mentioned 3 to 4 hours is evident, is okay to apply, getting that result. So this is what I mentioned, guys. Any glow? It's the same, right? So next, let's talk about this product. This is their Happy Herbs Turmeric Night Repair Cream, and yeah, this is how the product looks, okay? I've used it almost more than a month now. What I'll do, I'll apply in this side and I'll show you the difference, okay? Me taking little, and they mentioned you should not massage, slightly apply like a sleeping face pack. So I've just applied the cream only in this side, okay, right hand side of mine. So I'm just leaving it to you guys. This side is not with the cream. This is my bare face. This side is the turmeric cream. Bare face, turmeric cream. And this is how my hands look, okay? Can you just see that yellow cast, right? This is what I have mentioned in my earlier video, that this leaves a tint of yellow that's staining my pillow cover every single night. So every single night, if, you're staining your pillow cover is not a good thing. If you're using a dark pillow cover, that's a big escape. If you're using a light pillow cover, obviously it's going to stain your pillowcase, and which is a big no-no to me. And so I'm using this turmeric night cream for almost a month, and I didn't find any difference, not in my pigmentation or in my acne scars, nothing. So I don't know. I highly recommend you to check out that video as well. You will know all details about the products. Guys, have any other video recommendation? If you guys want me to review any other product, please put that in the comment box as well. I will definitely do it for you. Yeah guys, I hope you got some clarity seeing how it looks on my face, right? So that is the reason I made this video actually. So, and one more thing I want to tell you, this channel I have started for only one reason. I want my community to come to me for honest reviews. I want my people to just come to my channel thinking that okay, Ganga will give the honest review, and from Ganga channel I can learn a lot of DIY face mask, skincare, everything. So that is the reason this channel is here. I'm a normal YouTuber and I have nothing against any brand, so take it lightly. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any other video suggestion, if you want me to buy any other product and give my review, I'm here, okay? So please put that in the comment box. I will create a video for you guys. And being a new mother, developing your channel, YouTube channel without any support is not an easy thing at all. So please consider subscribing and keep supporting me. I will see you soon in another video. So take care. Bye bye.